under the weather. Feeling sick or unwell. He canceled the trip as he was under the weather. I didn't go to work today because I was feeling under the weather. Spill the beans. To reveal a secret. Don't spill the beans about the surprise party. He spilled the beans and told us about their holiday plans. Hit the sack. Go to bed or sleep. I'm so tired. I'm going to hit the sack now. After a long day, he was ready to hit the sack. Cold feet. Feeling nervous or afraid, especially before an important event or decision. She got cold feet and decided not to go skydiving. He had cold feet before his big presentation, but it went well. Over the moon. Very happy or excited about something. He was over the moon after winning the soccer game. I'm over the moon about our vacation next week. Pull someone's leg. To joke or tease someone in a playful way. He likes to pull my leg by telling funny stories. I thought I failed the test, but my friend was pulling my leg. In hot water. To be in serious situation where you could be punished or criticized. He's in hot water because he told a lie to his parents. They are in hot water after missing an important deadline. Cost an arm and a leg. Very expensive. The tickets to the concert cost an arm and a leg. This dress is beautiful, but it cost me an arm and a leg. Miss the boat. Miss an opportunity. I wanted to buy that phone on sale, but I missed the boat. He missed the boat because he didn't act quickly enough. Piece of cake. Something that is very easy to do. Fixing the broken chair was a piece of cake for my dad. The math test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 10 minutes. Have a short fuse. Gets angry or upset very easily and quickly. My dad has a short fuse and gets angry quickly. I try to stay calm, but sometimes I have a short fuse. Butterflies in stomach. Feeling nervous or anxious, often in an excited way. Before the race, I felt butterflies in my stomach. I had butterflies in my stomach before my big exam. Break the ice. To start a conversation. He broke the ice by introducing himself to everyone. I told a funny joke to break the ice at the meeting. All ears. Fully focused and ready to listen carefully. I'm all ears if you have something exciting to share. When the teacher explained the rules, we were all ears. Hit the nail on the head. Say or do something exactly right. You hit the nail on the head with your answer. The teacher said I hit the nail on the head with my solution.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!